Now listen, this one is really popular back in the Gobi Desert. This guy wasn't really much of a predator. It was more like it was like a special, it was a special caretaker for its young, and despite its code name. The name of this dinosaur is named Oviraptor. Yeah, this is an Oviraptor. They are said to be peaceful, and they watch over their young. This kind of thing happens a lot around in the Gobi Desert. I chose tonight to be a perfect time to draw this guy. There we are. There he is. That is how you draw Oviraptor.